Good morning. Here we are again at the Outlet Center. My last couple of videos, numerous times I've been pointed out that with this new controller, it reset everything to zeros as far as distance goes. And when I go into the settings, it says limit of flight distance. And it says 3,000. Okay. And my last flight, somebody pointed out it was set at 0. And if I turn this off, turning off limit distance, the drone may exceed the maximum distance permitted. According to your local laws, you will be responsible for any consequence, and Fimi shall not be responsible for any accidents. Okay, so it's set for 3,000. Now it's set for no limit. And all we've gotten here is 600 meters. So let's try that. The other thing we're going to try is the lock mode in profile, or lock mode in the tracking, follow me. So let's see what happens. We have no limit on the distance of the flight. Let's see if we get past the 600 meter mark. A little bit of wind coming from the northwest, so let's take it up. And launch again. Hi, Belle. Bella. We've got 90% on the battery. Turn around. And point it down. Here we are. Okay, let's try this lock thing first. Let's go back. And we'll go up to about there. Try the lock mode. Here goes. Track, lock, draw around, and still got the Chinese there. They say they're going to fix it. Go. Okay, now if I just move the stick left and right, it keeps you in the picture. Okay, we're going to go right. And it keeps you in the picture as long as you're 0 on the speed. And if I go backwards, it keeps me in the middle. So it does that. There's that one thing. If I go and do the speed, it should orbit me. And it's orbiting me. Going around. Okay? So we know how that works. So we're going to stop that. Now we're going to head back out. We have no limit set. Point it up a bit. About there. Turn it around. There's the pond. And we're going to go up about. So there's the track. We'll go up to the same 65 or 70 meters. And we'll head out. And we have a no limit. There's 50. I don't know why Hudson comes up, but anyway. 65 meters. Let's go to 70. 70 meters. There we go. We're going to go that way. We're just going to go out and see how far we go. Try and keep the speed at about 8 or 10. And we're out at 100. And depending how far we get, then we're going to change the limit to 3,000 and see if we can go any further. That's 400. We're at 10 meters, 9 meters. There's 500. And this is where it cut out last time. So we'll see, my sticks are...
Using sticks in RTH mode will change flight route.
That's the max. So it's returning to home at around the 600 meter mark. So it's returning to home. We'll bring it back to about 400 meters, let it come back. Okay, somewhere around here. I'm going to stop the return to home. I'm going to go into these settings. I'm going to go to the limit and set it at whatever. Okay, so 3641. Okay, let's turn it around. And here, exact same spot, we were getting on the Anafi 1.5 kilometers. And on the Xeno, we were getting 1 kilometer. But on this X8, and I'm moving the sticks up and I'm moving the antennas so I can get them perpendicular to the craft.
Using sticks in RTH mode will change flight route.
So that didn't do anything. So let's just go back and put it at unlimited. And we'll let it come home. So what else have I done that I shouldn't have done? I can't think of anything. I've tested the limiter. It makes no difference. It's returning to home. There's no need to have a video on this. At least my card doesn't say error, but I haven't started the video, so. And the lock mode in tracking, if you set the speed at 0, you get to manipulate where the drone goes and your target stays centered. So that's a positive thing. But the range on this, compared to the other drones, it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen, and I don't know what else to do. I just don't get a kilometer. I don't get anywhere near a kilometer. And there's nothing out here. I mean, it's just open field. So, and I'm away, far away. I'm a half a kilometer away from, or at least a good 300 meters, 400 meters away from any buildings, so. And it's coming down. So that was a quick flight, and debunked any myth that I had about settings. Stop that. And bring it down and hand catch it. Here we come. Let's come down a little bit more so I can catch it. Put this on our chest.